What is up, YouTube? Today, it's your boys L&D Surfing here, about to get you started up here with some surf lessons. So, here we go.
Your first surfboard. The most important thing when learning to surf is picking the right board. That usually means soft boards or pocket friendly. Soft boards are soft in the name and pocket friendly, so you can get up easily. And the bigger the board, the easier to get up.
So, next up here, we got your surf spot. Your first surf spot should have some small beach breaking waves. We do not mean going to the shore and break your fins. We mean go out to a sandbar. Hopefully, there is one. If not, there will be some waves breaking a lot of the time more farther out. And I would recommend riding the whitewash first. That's what it means by beach breaking. Also, please be sure to surf with a minimal crowd of people in the water. So, what we mean by this is do not go in to the most biggest crowd that you see because all you see is a ton of surfers. We want you to go into a place where there is a safe spot and you don't have to worry about dodging and weaving through everybody.
From sand to sea, every surfer begins the same way. It is always best to learn to pop up on your board while you're on the beach. This means to draw out your board if you have your fins in because you don't want to damage your fins. And then you can if you have your fins in, you can just draw the surfboard and then learn how to pop up. And you want to have a feel for your board before you get out there. Like what I mean to get out there is to mean to go to the waves. Like have a feel for it when you go in the water.
Yes. All right, next up here we got paddling out. Pick a line to paddle out into the surf where there are very few people. In other words, we want you to pick out a flat spot, and then if you need to, then you can start paddling towards the wave. Duck dive. So this is more like for like advanced surfers. This is like recommended for people who are on fiberglass boards because if you are perhaps on a soft top, which would be highly recommended, we have something called the turtle roll. So what we mean by the turtle roll is to literally roll over so that way then your fins are facing up and you will go under the wave perfectly fine and then you can twist your board back over and you can get on and keep paddling. But I'll go and teach you guys how to do the duck dive. Duck diving is when you dip the nose of your board and your body under the wave so that way then you do not get absolutely killed by this wave because the waves can sometimes take you really, really far back. Also, paddle hard until you get past the breakers, please.
Catching the wave. As a wave approaches you, turn the nose of your board towards the beach. Because if you don't turn your board to the beach, that's like the Surf's Up movie. Crazy. You don't want
Joe.
to. Yeah, exactly.
Please do not do a chicken Joe because you will get injured and you will definitely hurt somebody. Please just don't do it.
Yeah. Lay down and begin paddling. As you feel the wave lift you on and your board, paddle as hard as you can and lean your weight forward. If you lean your weight forward, this means to get like a really good feeling about you really catching the wave.
Yep, so in other words, it gives like more momentum.
Yeah.
Next up, we have riding the wave. So, first off, stay balanced. Keep your feet centered on the board. It will take you a minute, though, to get used to the balance. So, just take your time. Do what you need to do. All right? Next up, turn your body weight to the left or the right. So, what we mean by this is to, like, shift your weight to, like, where you want to go. Typically, like once you get the pop-up down, you can start doing this, but for right now, we just want you to lean your weight forward so then you are angled towards the beach. Do not worry about turning or any of that stuff. Lastly, just have fun riding the wave, please. Don't get all frustrated with it. It's literally your first time.
Key tips: don't get frustrated. It may take a few waves before you get the hang of it. I mean, it took me almost a year to get a hang of it.
Yep, he's right.
It takes,
He's a late bloomer.
yeah, it takes time to get a hang of it. And stay out of crowded areas until you learn to control your board. Because you don't want to injure somebody while not knowing how to turn your board or like moving. Like you don't really know how to move the board really well.
Yep, and just if you do encounter one of these things, I would recommend just grabbing your board and just yanking it.
Yeah.
Because then you will have a way less chance of injuring them. So I'd recommend like yanking it like away from the person or just not taking the wave at all if you have not taken the wave yet.
And don't forget to always have fun surfing. It's not that deep. Like all you're out there is just to have a good time, hang out with your buddies. It's one of the best feelings ever.
Yes, especially when you just get to look at the beach and like it all looks different. Like, yes, just like don't get frustrated with it. And if you do, just remember, deep breaths, calm down, it will be okay.
And don't forget to just keep swimming.
Yes, in the words of the pufferfish, do just keep swimming. That will be all for today's video. Hope you guys have an amazing rest of the year. And if anything, the rest of your life.